Hey guys, this is so great to be back making videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from this glass vase to a faux ceramic vase. Stay tuned. First, let's get all your supplies ready, and this is what you'll need. So you can pick any color that you want. I just picked brown, dark brown and white, and I'm just gonna mix them together and see what we get. Baking soda for some texture. Now for the fun part, you get to pick your own glass, jar or vase or anything you have around the house. So now it's time to mix your colors. Here I'm mixing white and brown and adding some baking soda. So for the baking soda, it all depends how much texture you want on your vase. I wanted just some texture, not too much, so I added just some baking soda. And now you paint away. I did 2 coats and let them dry in between. So here's what it looks like with 2 coats and completely dry. So since I love the process so much, I went around the house and painted a few more jars. And this is what it looks like. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!